Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. Today we're starting not just a series, we're starting a course, all right? So we're working on algebra, okay? We'll start with a basic introduction to algebra, and then we'll move into expressions, equations, and take it as high as possible. So do well to follow this course, okay? It's right on my YouTube channel, Math with Dotun. All right, thank you. We're starting with the definition of the term algebra. So what is algebra? What is algebra? Algebra is a part of mathematics that helps us to work with unknown numbers, right? Unknown terms, things we don't know, numbers we don't know yet, okay? Algebra helps us to work with these numbers. So we use letters, symbols to represent these numbers we don't know, and then we solve and simplify until we're able to find the unknown number. That is basically what we do in algebra, okay? And algebra is something we do every day, okay? You are in a shopping mall to buy something, you want to check what you have left after giving out some things. Okay, you have 5 pens and you're giving out 3 to 3 friends of yours, and then how many pens do you have left? That is algebra. You're calculating, okay? You don't know, as at that moment you don't know how many you have left, so we represent that with a letter and then we calculate, okay? Or you're thinking about a number and then, okay, if I have this number and I do this, I do that, what would be my answer? And I get this, all right? So algebra is helping us to find those unknown numbers we don't know yet, that you need to do your calculation to get, all right? That is what algebra helps us to do. And this differentiates from the basic arithmetic we do, all right? In arithmetic, we have the numbers and we're just to simplify them or to do our calculations, all right? So that's arithmetic. You subtract, you add, you divide, you multiply, okay? And you're working with known numbers. But when you're working with unknown numbers, we're talking about algebra. This is why algebra is so powerful in our everyday problem solving. I've just talked about buying things in the market, try to calculate what we would have at the end of the day, or what would you have left after spending, giving out something, all right? So algebra is so powerful and very important. We use it in science, in business, and in everyday life, okay? So welcome to this course. I want you to make sure you subscribe so you could follow through, and then make sure you also click on the notification bell, and you'll be able to get notified, alerted whenever we post the videos. Thank you. Okay, if you have understood what I've explained about algebra, I'd like you to tell me in your own words, to you, what do you think algebra is? I'm waiting to see it in the comments. Thank you. God bless. Bye.